When you're searching for the best coolant for your 6.0 Powerstroke, everything seems to blur together. Same claims, same colors, and the same prices. But to really find out what works for your engine, you need to look a little deeper. Product number 1. Peak OET Extended Life Orange. First up is the Peak OET Extended Life Orange Antifreeze, priced at $18.95. What caught my eye is its impressive 4.8-star rating from 1,800 reviews. If you want reliable protection for your cooling system, this is worth a serious look. This coolant is designed specifically for North American vehicles, meaning it's compatible with your Ford, Chrysler, and GM engines. It has a unique formulation that prevents rust and corrosion, which is crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly. Plus, the fact that it's pre-diluted saves you time. Just top it off without mixing. And get this, when installed correctly, it can last up to 400,000 miles or 15 years. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're looking for something that won't just work now, but will keep your engine protected for years. Now, some folks mentioned that the bittering agent can make it taste unpleasant if spilled, which might not be ideal if you have pets. But here's the thing. That bittering agent is there for a reason, to deter accidental ingestion. So, while it's a minor drawback, it's more about safety than convenience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for long-lasting protection without the hassle of constant refills. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's overly specialized or designed for racing applications. For the price, you're getting a solid value. Now, if the Peak's bittering agent bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Xerix DexCool Ready to Use. Next on the list is the Xerix DexCool, available for $17.99. This one's loved by many, boasting a 4.8-star rating from over 2,000 reviews. If you want top-notch freeze and boil protection, you should consider this. The Xerix comes pre-mixed, which means you can pour it straight into your cooling system without any further dilution. It protects against winter freeze-ups down to minus 34 degrees Fahrenheit and handles summer boiling up to 265 degrees Fahrenheit. With its organic acid technology, it resists rust and corrosion while safeguarding all metals, including aluminum. Plus, it's formulated with additives that won't harm gaskets or hoses, essential if you want to avoid costly leaks. Here's why this matters for you. You need a coolant that's not only effective but also safe for your engine's components. However, some users mentioned it could be a bit pricey for a pre-mixed option. But honestly, the convenience and quality make it worth considering. If you're the type who prefers to just pour and go, this is a solid choice. This is great for you if you want reliable, hassle-free performance. Skip it if you prefer a concentrate that you can dilute yourself. When you look at its quality, it offers a good bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more specialized needs. Product number 3. Xerix G05 Antifreeze Coolant Concentrate. Coming in at number 3 is the Xerix G05 Antifreeze Coolant Concentrate, also at $17.99. This one holds a strong 4.8-star rating with 1,900 reviews. If you want a concentrate that provides excellent freeze protection, definitely give this a look. The G05 features a hybrid organic acid technology that protects against rust and corrosion, ensuring the longevity of your cooling system. It allows for flexible mixing ratios, so you can adjust it based on where you live, whether it's extremely cold or hot. This flexibility means you can tailor it for your vehicle's specific needs, which is a big plus. Some users noted that it requires mixing with water, which can be a hassle for some. But honestly, if you don't mind a bit of prep work, the customized protection it offers for your engine is a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're someone who likes to have control over your coolants mixture. Skip it if you want something pre-mixed for convenience. For the price, it's a great value considering the level of protection you get. Now, if that mixing process seems like a deal breaker, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4. Valvoline Multi-Vehicle Ready to Use. Next up is the Valvoline Multi-Vehicle 50/50 Ready to Use Antifreeze, priced at $18.58. With a fantastic 4.8-star rating from over 7,000 reviews, this is a popular choice among many. If you want multi-vehicle compatibility, this one's definitely worth checking out. What's great about the Valvoline is that it's formulated to work with all ethylene glycol-based coolants. So if you have multiple vehicles, this one can do the job for all of them. It fights corrosion and rust while also providing freeze and boil protection comparable to other top contenders. The ready-to-use formula means you can just pour it in without any mixing. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're maintaining a single truck or a fleet, you need a coolant that won't let you down. On the downside, a few users mentioned they experienced leaks after prolonged use. But here's the thing. That can happen with any coolant if your system isn't properly maintained. It's not necessarily a flaw of the product itself. This is ideal for you if you have multiple vehicles or just want something hassle-free. Skip it if you only have a specific vehicle type. When you consider the convenience, it's a fair price for the peace of mind. Now, if you're looking for something from a brand you can trust, the next product is from Ford. Product number 5, Ford Genuine Fluid VC 13G. Finally, we have the Ford Genuine Fluid VC 13G Yellow Concentrated Antifreeze, priced at $30.40. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 1,200 reviews, this is a top choice if you're loyal to Ford. If you want a coolant designed specifically for Ford vehicles, this one's worth your attention. This coolant offers year-round antifreeze and anti-boil protection, which is essential if you want to maintain your engine's performance. The 50-50 mixture provides freeze protection down to minus 34 degrees Fahrenheit and boiling protection up to 265 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's why this matters. If you're driving a 6.0 Powerstroke, you need a coolant that can handle extreme temperatures without breaking down. However, the price is a bit higher than some alternatives. But here's the thing. When you consider that this is specifically designed for your Ford vehicle, the investment can pay off in peace of mind and engine longevity. This is perfect for you if you want a coolant that's tailor-made for your Ford. Skip it if you're looking for something more universal. Given its specialized nature, it's a fair price for the quality. So, we've covered some solid options today. Whether you're looking for longevity, convenience, or specialized protection, each has its strengths. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Peak OET for long-lasting protection, Xerix DexCool for ready-to-use convenience, Xerix G05 for flexible mixing, Valvoline Multi-Vehicle for compatibility, and Ford Genuine Fluid for Ford enthusiasts. Each one has its unique benefits, so choose based on what matters most to you and your Powerstroke.